Dr. Zakir, could you explain the importance of women attending the Eid prayer, please?
As far as Eid Salaah is concerned, it's compulsory for all the men to attend, and even the children, including the women, irrespective whether they're young or they're old, whether they're single, whether they're married. Even if they're menstruating, the Prophet said they should attend, even though they don't have to offer salah, they have to attend. And there are various hadith which speak about this. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 351, that Atiyah, may Allah be pleased with her, she said that we were commanded, we were ordered that all the women, even the menstruating women and the veiled women, they should go for Eid Salah, even though the menstruating women should keep away from Musalla. That means they should not offer Salah, that they should go. And when one lady, one woman asked the Prophet that, "Oh Prophet, what if a woman does not have a veil?" So the Prophet replied, she should share the veil of a companion. That means she should borrow the veil from the companion. Even though she is not veiled, she should borrow. It is that important to attend the Eid congregation. And Atiyah continues and says that, may Allah be pleased with her, that we were asked at least to attend the gathering and the invocation. Those menstruating women who cannot pray, at least they should attend the invocation and the gathering. It's further mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of 2 Eids, hadith number 975. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, he said that when he was a young boy, he went with the Prophet for the Eid Salah, and he says he doesn't remember whether it was Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr. And after the Salah, the Prophet gave the sermon, and then he addressed the women, and he preached to them, and he said that they should give alms, they should give charity. It's further mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Menses, hadith number 324, that Hafsa, may Allah be pleased with her, she says that we did not allow our virgin women to go for Eid Salah. And she continues, then a lady comes and she says that my sister was the wife of one of the companions of the Prophet, and we used to attend to the soldiers during the fights in the battlefield. And she continues, and the Prophet said that the menstruating woman and the veiled woman should go for Eid Salah, and if she does not have a veil, she should borrow the veil from the companion. Later on, Atiyah, may Allah be pleased with her, she enters. So she asks her that, have you heard so and so thing? So she said, yes, that's what the Prophet said, that even the menstruating woman and the matured virgin woman and the young virgin woman and the married woman, they should go for Eid Salah. And if the veiled woman does not have a veil, she should borrow the veil from a companion. So Hafsa, may Allah be pleased with us, menstruating women, she said, yes. Don't they go at the Arafah? So they can go for invocation, they can go to attend the gathering, though they don't have to offer Salah. It's mentioned in Musannaf Ibn Shaybah, volume 2, hadith number 5786, that Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he used to take complete of his family for the Eid Salah. As much as of his family that he can take, he takes for the Eid Salah. So this shows that the women, they should go for the Eid Salah, even if they're menstruating, if they cannot offer Salah, at least for the gathering and for the invocation.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.